Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support, for your likes, comments, and for those who are sharing it. I really appreciate that. For those who are not yet subscribed, please just don't forget to subscribe. Well, today I accepted the challenge. A customer of mine challenged me. She wanted something for her and her cousin to use as pendants at the same time as keychain. Then I was like, okay, no problem. Quick, I remembered that I have UV resin and I have these pieces in the base. I created something and they're happy. So yeah, I'm happy. Well, the material I used making these pieces is UV resin. I don't have specific brand. I used UV resin, any UV resin that I test and I feel like they are super shine. High gloss and low VRS, that's the one I pick. And the colors there, I didn't use any pigment or any powder. Rather, I used nail polish. Yes, nail polish and glitters. Yes. Well, nail polish is lifesaver for me whenever I use UV resin, and when I make these small pieces like earrings, pendants. I liked using nail polish. I think they go well with UV light. They dry well so quick and they shine more than when I use makeup powder or something. Okay, I'm just speaking from my own experience. Yeah, so for me, I use nail polish most of the time when I'm doing this little pieces. Of course, sometimes I use other pigments like makeup powder or even the paste, but nail polish is my lifesaver. Thank you very much for watching till this far. I hope you are enjoying this tutorial. For those who are not subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe. And for everyone else, please don't forget to leave a comment and share to those that you love. One thing that I like about UV resin is that you just need few minutes to finish the task. So for last minute orders, especially for small projects like this one, yeah, UV resin is the best option. One thing though, you need to be very fast. I mean super fast while working with UV resin because it cures very fast, and you don't need it to start curing while you are not finished, creating whatever you are creating. So you need to be super fast to get the best result. Where are you watching me from? Please tell me on the comment section below. If you wish to learn on how to choose UV resin, the best one, and if you also wish to know the type of nail polish that I use that is working well with this kind of project, that is working well with UV resin, just comment down below that I love UV resin. Then I'll do the full video showing you step by step on how to choose the UV resin, the best one, and also the nail polish that is the best for this kind of project. We have so much to learn, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and then click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time that I upload a video, so you won't miss anything at all that is happening here. If you watched till this far, thank you very much. May God bless you today and forever. I wish to see you on the next video. Bye.